Good morning, students. Today we are going to deal with the last chapter of Vistas, that is Ivan Streich and O level. And Colin Dexter is the writer of Ivan Streich and O level. And before starting this chapter, I would like to highlight some major facts of this story of this play. Evans. Evans was in the jail. What was the reason that he was sent to jail? That is not confirmed throughout the lesson. But he has tried to escape from the jail 3 times and was successful in this and again arrested by the police. So we can say that day by day he is coming in the eyes of the uh, jail authorities. And there is a question before starting the lesson. There is a question: should criminals in prison be given the opportunity of learning and education? Yes, of course the criminals should be given opportunity of learning and education in the jail, because education is a doorway which leads anyone towards good work, towards success, towards their destination. We can say that it is the lack of education that the people or the persons involved in bad activities, involved in criminal activities. So I think that the education should be given to the criminals in the prison. And some dramatic personality of this chapter: the secretary of the examination board. First character is the secretary of the examination board. What is the job of the secretary of the examination board? He will provide question paper and writing paper to the jail authority, and jail authority will conduct the examination. Invigilator will also be sent by the examination board. The governor of HM prison of Oxford, James Evans, a prisoner. The full name of James Roderick Evans. He is a prisoner. Mr. Jackson, a prison officer. Mr. Stephens, also a prison officer. The Reverend S. McLeary is an invigilator. Mr. Carter, detective superintendent. Mr. Bell, detective chief inspector. These are the characters. These are the characters of the story. Okay, guys. All precautions have been taken to see to it that O-level German examination arranged in a prison for Evans does not provide him with any means of escape. First of all, what is meaning of O-level? O-level is an examination taken by the student in the past age of 15 or 16 in England, Wales or Northern Ireland. Since 1998, students have been taken examination called GCSES. Okay. uh, all precautions which was needed for the examination were taken by the jail authorities. Okay. And jail authorities were also very careful that they are not going to provide any chance for Evans to escape from the jail. So they have taken every precautions which is needed for that. Okay. And it was in early March when the secretary of the examination board received the call from Oxford prison. Okay. In the month of March, in the starting of the March month, the secretary of the examination board received a call, and that call was from the Oxford prison. And this call was made by the governor, and it is a slightly unusual request, governor, but I don't see why we should try to help it. Okay. Dear students, here there is a conversation between the secretary of the examination board and the governor, and the secretary of the examination board is saying it is slightly unusual request. Okay. It is very unusual request, Mr. Governor, but I don't see why we should not try to help. But exam secretary said that I think that we should help him. We should help him. we should help him. Okay, just one fellow you say, and you have told that there is only one fellow in the classroom. There is only one fellow in the classroom. Okay, that is only one fellow in the classroom. Okay, you say. Okay, that is it. Chap called Evans. Okay, the governor told to the secretary that yes, it is correct. There is only one fellow, and that lad is called Evans. He started night classes in O-level German last September, and that boy has started taking classes in German O-level from the last September. Okay, and he is dead keen to get some sort of academic qualification, and the boy is very much interested, the boy is very much excited, the boy is very much desirous to have some educational qualification, some educational academic educational qualification. Is he any good? Okay, here is a question that was asked by the secretary, that is he good. It means to say that secretary does not want to know any criminal record of this boy, but he want to know that when I will arrange the examination, send my invigilator, if he is dangerous, then he will create harm for the invigilator. So he is asking that is he any good, means is he good fellow or not. Okay, the governor told that he was only one in the class, he will be all alone in the class, so you can say that he is having individual tuition. Okay, when the boy is all alone in the class, so obviously he is going to have individual personal tuition all the time, really. Okay, would have cost him a packet means a lot of money. If the boy was having this education at his home, so he has to spend much more money, lot of money. If he had been outside, if Evans was having this education outside of this jail, then he had to spend a lot of money. Well, let's give him a chance, shall we? Okay, and the secretary said, let's give him a chance. Okay, we will give him a chance. Okay, shall we? Okay, and he also asked a question from the governor, shall we give him a chance? That is a jolly kind of you. No. That is a jolly kind of you. Here is one word, jolly. Jolly means hota hai, means very mock, very that will be a jolly kind of you, means that will be very grace of you. What exactly the procedure now? Okay, and now the governor asked that what will be the procedure? Please tell me about your procedure. Okay, your procedure, your method, how will you conduct the examination? Oh, don't worry about that, I will be sending you all the forms and stuff. Okay, the secretary said, don't bother about that, I will send all the forms and stuff which is needed for the examination. What is his name? You say Evans. Okay, and the secretary asked that what is the name you say? Oh, Evans. James Roderick Evans. It sounded grand. His name is too grand. His name is too good. Okay. Just one thing, governor, he is not a violent sort of fellow. Okay, just one thing, governor, remember, I want to ask one thing, he is not a violent sort of fellow. Okay, violent, uncontrolled. Okay, please tell me whether he is uncontrollable fellow or not. I don't want to know his criminal record or anything like that. I don't want to know about his criminal record. Or all that. Okay? No, there is no record of violence. The governor said no, there is no record of violence. Okay? Quite a pleasant sort of chat. He is a very happy fellow. They tell me, I was told. Bit of card means always happy. Really, he is always happy. One of the star of the Christmas concert. Okay, and you can say that at the occasion of the Christmas, he is the star. He is the star, or you can say he is the cause of attraction for everyone. Imitation, you know the sort of thing. He imitate the things. He always imitate the things just like the Mike Yardwood stuff. Just like the Mike Yardwood stuff. No, he is a cognial lepnomatic. Cognial means pleasant, खुशमिजाज हिंदी में. लेप्नोमाइटिक मतलब mentally ill given to stealing. Okay. He is pleasant fellow, but mentally ill given to stealing. Lepnomatic. That is all. The governor was tempted to add something else. The governor wanted to tell something more about him, but he thought better of it. But governor thought that is sufficient. He did look after that particular side of things himself. But governor thought that all other things will be looked by me. So he has not told much more. Presumably, presumably it is presumed, मैं मानता हूँ हिंदी में. Said the secretary said that I am accepting that you can arrange a room, okay, and he said that you have to arrange a room where the examination will be held. The governor said no problem. He is in a cell of his own. He is living in such a cell where he is all alone. If you have no objection, he can sit the exam there, okay, and ask from the secretary that if you are not having any objection, the examination will be held there. Okay, that is fine. Secretary said yes, that is good, and we could easily get one of the parsons from St. Mary Mug to invigilate. Okay, St. Mary Mug is a church. Parson means a man from the church or the father of the church. Okay, and the secretary said that we will manage easily a parson, a father of the church, a clergyman, in other words, from the St. Mary Mug to invigilate the things. Fine, yes, they seem to a lot of parsons there, okay, and secretary said that too good, and there are so many parsons there, there are so many clergymen, don't they? क्या नहीं है? The two men chuckled good naturally, okay, both of them chuckled, laughed, okay, both of them chuckled, laughed. Chuckled means laughed, okay, good naturally, ठीक ना? दोनों मुस्कुराए in हिंदी. And the secretary had a final thought, and a final thought came in the mind of the secretary. A very final thought came in the mind of the secretary. What was the final thought? At least there one thing. At last, I want to ask one thing. You should not have much trouble keeping him incommunicado. Should you? Incommunicado means without means of communication with others. Okay. The secretary said that remember one thing, that there should not be such a thing from which he could communicate from anyone. Okay, means to say the man, means the boy, should live without any means of communication with others. The governor chuckled politely. Okay, the governor laughed very politely, softly once more, and reiterated its thanks. Okay, Okay, and he thanked to the secretary and slowly cradled the phone, slowly placed down the phone. Evans the Bake, as the little officers called him. Okay. Okay, Evans the Break, as the prison officer called him. Evans the Break. मतलब जेल तोड़ने वाला, in हिंदी जेल तोड़ने वाला. 3 times he had escaped from the prison, and he was successful in escaping from the prison for 3 times. But for the recent wave of unrest in the maximum security establishment up north, okay, but nowadays he was kept under the maximum security which was established in the north side, and he would not have now gracing the governor premises in Oxford. Okay, and now and now this place came in the care of the governor, so there was no chance for escaping to Evans. The governor was going to make absolutely certain that he would not disgrace him, and the governor was making it certain that this time Evans is not going to disgrace me. Okay, means he will not try to escape. No, that Evans was really a burden. In fact, Evans was really not a burden. Okay, really, Evans was not a burden for them. Not a burden. Just a persistence. Cause of trouble. He troubled them time to time. time. Okay. uh, a nagging presence. Nagging means irritating. When he was present, it was very irritating. He did be all right in Oxford though, and they were thinking that he will be all right in the Oxford. The governor would see to that. The governor will see all the matter personally. And besides, there was just a possibility that Evans was genuinely interested in German, O level German. Okay, and there was not much more possibility. ठीक ना? There was not much more possibility that Evans was interested in German O level. Just a slight possibility. Just there was a very slight possibility as he was interested in German O level. Okay, just at very no just yeah. At 8:30 p.m. on Monday 7 June, Ivan's German teacher shook him by the hand in the heavily guarded recreational block. Okay, and on 7th June, on Monday 7th June at 8:30, the German teacher of Ivan shook hand with him. Okay, shook hand with him, and he was kept in the heavily protected recreational block just across from D wing, which was just across from the D wing. गटन गलक हर इवांस. गटन गलक हर मीन्स मिस्टर. गटन मतलब गुड, गलक मतलब लक. गुड लक मिस्टर इवांस, good luck. And Ivan said, pardon, excuse me, what have you said? Then the teacher said, I said good luck for tomorrow. For tomorrow I am expecting for good luck. Oh, thanks, I mean thanks John. Thanks John means thank you sir, धन्यवाद. You have not a cat in hell's chance of getting through, of course. And the teacher said that Evans, you are not having a slight chance to escape from this jail. You are not having a slight chance to escape from jail. I may surprise everyone, Ivan said. Ivan said that I may surprise everyone. Okay, but Ivan said that I will surprise you all. I will surprise you all. At 8:30, the following morning, next morning, at 8:30 morning, Evans had a visitor. A visitor had come to Evans. In fact, not a visitor, but two visitors. In fact, he tucked his grubby string vest into equally grubby trouser. Okay. Okay. He tucked मतलब put in, grubby means dirty. Okay. He was wearing his dirty string vest jacket. Okay, means he was wearing a very dirty vest and dirty trouser, and he stood up from his bunk. And he stood from his bunk. Bunk means built-in platform bed. Built a platform bed. प्लेटफॉर्म टाइप का बना होता है जो लड़कों कैदियों को सोने के लिए. बंक. तो he stood on his bunk and smiling cheerfully. After seeing those persons, he smiled very cheerfully. And morning, Mr. Jackson is indeed an honor. Okay. And who was he? Morning, Mr. Jackson is indeed an honor. Mr. Jackson said morning, and Ivan said that is very honor for me. Jackson was the senior prison officer on D wing. Jackson was the senior prison officer in the D wing, and he and Evans had already become warm enemies. Means Jackson and Evans, both of them were warm enemies to each other. Warm enemies to each other means अच्छे दुश्मन हो गए थे. At Jackson's side stood officer Stephens, and by the side of Jackson, one more officer was standing, and the name of that officer was Stephens. A burly, surly looking, burly, stout, tagda, Hindi, surly, rude looking man. Okay, means Stephens was a burly man, powerful man, strong man. Surly means rude man. Okay, only recently recruited to the professor. Recently appointed, and he was earlier appointed. He was soon appointed for this post. Okay. Jackson nodded curtly. Jackson shook his head rudely. And how is our little Einstein this morning then? And he asked a question. How is our little Einstein? Okay, this is a comment that is being made by Jackson on Evans. Oh, Einstein, how are you? क्या हाल है? Was not he a mathematician, Mr. Jackson? Mr. Jackson said that Einstein was a mathematician. He was a bloody crat. He was a bloody word is an abuse. Okay, he abused him. He abused him. Snap Jackson. Snap Jackson broken when Jackson broken him. Okay, when be careful. Snap Jackson when Jackson said that was not he mathematician. Okay, was not he mathematician? Then he said abusing. He answered in a abusing manner. Okay, and broken to Jackson in between. Evans was quite wise. Always riled him. Riled means annoyed, and Evans' voice always annoyed him, and Evans' present insight into its own vast ignorance riled even more. Riled even more. Okay, and Evans did not like that this man has disturb me. Tried to disturb me. I think he was a Jew, Mr. Jackson. Mr. Jackson, I am thinking that he was a Jew. He was a Jew. I don't give a monkey fuck what he was, you scruffy sort. I don't want to know all these things. What he was. I don't want to know all these things. Evans' face was unshaven. Evans has not shaved till now. He wore a filthy looking red and white bubble hat. Okay. He was wearing a dirty looking red and white hat upon his head. Give me a chance, Mr. Jackson. I was just going to shave when you busted. And Evans said that give me some time, Mr. Jackson. I was about to shave, but you have just entered into the room. Which reminds me, Jackson turned his eyes on Stephens. Okay, and Jackson turned his eyes towards Stephens. Make sure you take his razor out of the cell. Make sure that when you are coming out of the cell, please collect the razor from him. Okay, collect the razor from him. Okay, collect the razor from him and bring it out of the cell when he is finished scraping that ugly mug. Mug means face. When scraping, cleaning. When he finished cleaning that ugly face, that dirty face, bring the razor out of the cell. Clear? Is that clear? One of these days he will do us all favor and cut his bloody throat. Nowadays he has started getting our favor. He has started getting our favor. Okay, and he will cut his throat one day. For a few seconds, Evans looked thoughtfully at the man. Okay, for a few seconds, Evans looked very thoughtfully towards the man standing ramrod straight in front of him. The man who was standing just like a boss before him. Okay, a string of Second World War medals proudly paraded over its left breast pocket. Okay, and on the left breast pocket, there were many medals which were paraded, and this medal was given. This medal was received by him in Second World War. Mr. Jackson, was it you who took my nail scissor away? And he asked. Evans asked Mr. Jackson, it is you who have taken my nail scissor away. Evans was always worried about his hands. Evans was always very careful about his hands. And your nail file too. Jackson said, not only your nail scissor I have taken out of your cell, but also your nail file. Nail file means जैसे नाखून घिसते हैं. Look, for a moment, Evans' eyes smoldered, and he looked very carefully towards Jackson, and his eyes smoldered, burned, and his eyes smoldered, his eyes burned. Okay, dangerously, but Jackson was ready for that. Orders of the governor, Evans. And Jackson said that this is the order which is given by the governor and it should be kept. This was the order that was given by the governor, that your nail file and nail scissors should be brought outside of your cell. So I have taken it. He leaned towards and leered. Okay, he leaned forward and he leered, glanced sideways, बगल इधर उधर झांकना, his voice dropping to hoarse, contemptuous whisper. Okay, means to say Evans looked here and there, and Evans looked here and there, and he murmured something contemptuous, in contempt, in hatred. You want to complain, you want to complain from the governor. Jackson said that you want to complain from the. Evans shrugged soldiers slightly. The crisis was over. Okay, shrugged soldier. Evans ने कंधे उचकाए, हिंदी में कंधे उचकाए, and the crisis was over. Okay guys, thank you. That is sufficient for today, and we will meet in next lecture.